Yes, this worked. Okay, guys, look what we got here. I apologize for the sound sometimes. When I go live now, it has like this echoey sound, but I assure you I'm right here. I'm like right here. All right, let's check and see all the books I got. You want to see them? I know you do. Okay. I got one of our new puzzles, Winter Wonderland. So the puzzle pictures are here. I'll show this to you. And the board book inside is a book about winter. So these are super cute characters. And I love how like the characteristics of baby books, they carry through on the puzzles, right? So like the eyes are really what kiddos really draw themselves into. And it's so wintry. I love it. All right, let's look at, yes, this I have been so anxious to see. These are the new sticker Dolly chapter books. My daughter's face just went, what? Yes, come here, you can see them. With stickers. So they still have stickers. Hey, Christy. Hey, Lori. They still have stickers, but look inside, you guys. Look. Here, you can look at this one, sweetie. Oh my goodness. Dolly Town. A little map in the front. And look at the lettering. That's perfect. Now they're a little thicker than our Hey Jack. I'd say it's like maybe 3 times the thickness of a Hey Jack and Billy B. Brown, and a little bit more involved. So this is like perfect for middle and elementary. And lots of illustrations too, which is great. Oh my word. Look at that. Just like in sticker Dolly dressing, you guys. This is precious. I love it. Okay, there are stickers in this. And then here is the other one, Unicorn Rescues. This is Fairy Picnic, Unicorn Rescues. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. This is so cute. Look at this. Let me see the stickers. How many are there? So there's a page in this one and a page in the other one. So good. All right, and then we have more biographies that came out, you guys. This is Nelson Mandela. And they carry through with the pages that have color on the inside. Now, a relative of mine actually reads with the transparency because it makes it easier to read. So these are great for kiddos who have a rough time focusing. And if you're on my personal page, I just shared a, if we're not, just friend me, but I just shared a font that you can download, Dyslexia Font, which is also another way for kiddos who have a rough time reading. Serena's is purple inside. That's nice. And we've got Mahatma Gandhi, this is orange. And then Steve Jobs, look at him in that little pose. Look, kind of blue, techie. We're inside, let's see, Amelia Earhart as well. And it's kind of like a rust maroon inside. And then I have the physics of popcorn and the math of a milkshake. When's the last time you had a milkshake? Now you're going to have them all the time. No, just kidding. I'm sure it has some healthy recipes in here. Experiment how to do a tanager. Look at this. This is really great for middle school and high school. Make a gift box using 10 grams, looks like. Experiment cutting a bagel into 1 piece. How to cut a bagel. Experiment pizza slice game. Experimenting with food. And this is like regular food. It's not like you have to go find a kumquat, which is great. This is all stuff you can find at the food line. Otherwise, I would not have this. Let's see. If you're a fancy cooker, I apologize. I'm like super basic, like freezer meal type person, but making a battery motor, discover forces, testing Newton's third law. Make sure your kids wear their helmets. These kids are properly drawn. Popcorn projectiles. Shh, you did not hear that, TJ. Did not hear that.
What's popcorn projectile?
Nothing. It's nothing.
Wait, projected popcorn?
Yeah. All right, this is the one I really wanted to see. Hey, Mary. Howdy from Michigan. Aw, thank you.
Cinderella in the cellar, working very late. Sleeps at last, her eyes shut fast, curled up by the grate.
Oops. And then
Cinderella in the cellar.
oh, that's the one I already did.
Very late.
Let's go to the next one.
Sleeps with breakfast toast.
Can you hear that
No
better?
chance. In the cellar, poor Cinderella, tears run down her chin. She hears a ting, and then a ping. A fairy's fluttered in.
Nice. It goes on. Here's the fairy. Beautiful pictures. Oh my word, these are beautiful. Yes. Who fits the shoe? Hooray, it's you. At last I found my friend. How sweet is that? And it's got the little switch on the back too, so you can turn off the battery. I'm very excited about that. More! Okay guys, I ordered this customer special because I cannot tell you how many people have wanted to pick up the whole set. We, up until recently, only had like up to number 5, I think. And number 5 is, like, every consultant is looking for it. But with this, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Secret Mermaid stories, which would normally be $59. You get them for $24. Mic drop. Book drop. Boof. So awesome. All right, let's see what else we got here. Ah, yes. Another graphic novel.
Yes.
You excited about that, TJ? The Wizard of Oz. Look at that. They're in the Emerald City. Oh, this is exciting. And Greek myths, magic painting. Let's see what myths are included, shall we? So we've got, oh, Pandora. Well, now I'm going to have to, now that I open that, I open a Pandora's box, I have to label all of these. Just kidding. I'll let you see the pictures. And if you're really good at Greek myths, then you can figure out what it is.
My sirens.
Thank you, Ellie.
Shoot, that's Helios.
Okay.
His chariot. That's King Midas. Artemis. Hydra. And Hercules.
And Hercules. Okay.
Trojan
Horse. I know that one.
Shoot, what? Oh, that's the golden
Golden Fleece. Yep, there it is.
There you go.
I see it. Awesome. All right, there you have it. And if you order this and you need to know which one each is, Ellie is willing to put together a guide for the book, correct?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, cool. Little Coloring Christmas. So this is so adorable because it's just right for your pre-reader. There's only a couple of words per page, and they can really develop their confidence with their, wide strokes. They'll still be in the lines. Genius. All right, let's see. I have a little audience over here. You guys can't see them, but you guys want to say hi? You can say hi to people if you want. Say hi. Commander doesn't want to say hi. Oh, here we go. PopUp Seasons. Oh, there's TJ. PopUp Seasons has a QR code to hear the book read aloud. So you just scan that and it will read the book aloud. So, oh my word, you guys look. Wow, so pretty. Boing. Oh my goodness, look at that. I don't know if you saw that. Goodness. Is that pollen? Oh, gusts of wind. Those are gusts of wind twirling the leaves. In the winter. Oh my goodness. And here is one with all the seasons on it. That is super cool. Okay, I'm super excited about this one. I didn't know what to think, but that's cool. We have the Santa sound book, so I'll turn that on. Sounds like a roaring fire. That's nice. Okay, I'm getting excited for Christmas now, you guys. That's the Santa sound book. And now, the finale, whoops, I just jiggled my table, is Santa Post. We have Beast Feast and Dragon Post. You guys, this is Santa Post, which means Yes, it's by Amelia Earhart, and yes, it has, I just got this, so I don't know which way to open it. Oh, it has letters inside that are stuck, but also, yes, also, invitations. It's talking about what to get Amy. This whole book is about what to get Amy. All right. Hold on a second. You guys are being so patient. Thank you so much. Let's see. Ah, here it is. Santa was stacking presents when a parcel arrived. So, here's the... Oh my goodness. Then he has an idea. He had everything needed. It was going to be perfect. And here's her letter. So precious, you guys. Oh my goodness. And on the back, it even looks like a letter. And it's made to look like an envelope. So
Chimney mail.
Chimney mail. Chimney mail. Oh my goodness. So cute. Every little detail in Emma Yartlett's post series, like the letter series, are so well done. You'll have so much fun finding all the little things each time you read these. There's something new to discover. And so I highly recommend Santa Post. These sound books are amazing. And most of the QR code books with like the read alouds, we have so many of those now, like storybooks and everything. If you want to find out where those are on the website, let me know. And listen, guys, I am so excited. This month, people are really stocking up on everything they need. And so if you are looking to kind of fill out your wish list and get what you need for our book flood, and also for your home, for educating or for fun, let me know, because these books are unlike any others, and you will truly appreciate having this level in your home. For example, you just heard my daughter mouth off all the Greek myths. That's not because all that is in here. It's because it's all on our bookshelves. All right, guys, so. All right, have a good day.